Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. In today's video, I am bringing to you a DIY farmhouse Dollar Tree Easter decor piece. This Easter decor piece is so stinking easy and you can make it for under $5. You are gonna love this. So let's jump into it and let me show you what all you need for this farmhouse Easter decor piece from the Dollar Tree.
For this farmhouse DIY, I picked up one of these decorative bunnies, 2 bags of Spanish moss, this baker's twine, and this brad that I had in my stash, and some pink burlap ribbon. I love projects like this that only take a few minutes to do. This project should take you maybe 10 minutes. I'm going to start off by taking my Spanish moss and I'm going to hot glue it over the top of this decorative bunny. And I'm going to be pretty generous with this Spanish moss. I bought 2 bags of it and I'm only going to end up needing a bag and a half. I don't want any of the white or pink to show through, so I'm going to put a nice thick layer over the top. I'm then going to give this rustic farmhouse bunny a bit of a haircut just to clean up the edges a bit. And to help keep the Spanish moss that isn't completely glued down in place and so it doesn't fall off and make a mess, I'm going to use an aerosol hairspray. Any aerosol hairspray will work fine, and I'm going to coat the top of this. And to give this farmhouse bunny a finishing touch, I'm going to give it a twine flower using my pink and white baker's twine. I'm going to wrap the baker's twine around my 4 fingers and tie it off in the middle. This is a flower that I've been using a lot lately because it is one of the easiest twine flowers you can make, and the outcome is stinking adorable. I'm going to do this 3 times. Now I'm going to take and hot glue all 3 of these on top of each other, just offsetting them a bit. And I'm going to finish off the center of this with my pink brad. An alternative to this is a pink button. And to finish this farmhouse bunny off, I thought the perfect place for this flower would be on her ear. And would you just look at how stinking cute that looks? An alternative to a flower would be a bow tie. To make a bow tie for this little fella, I'm going to use Dollar Tree's wired burlap ribbon. And I'm going to cut a piece that measures out at about 5 inches. Then I'm going to cut a second piece that measures out at 7 inches. I'm then going to take my ribbon and fold it in half the long ways. Then fold it in half again, leaving me with this. And on this side of the burlap here, I'm going to take my scissors and cut a triangle off of the bottom edge, leaving me with this finished edge on both sides. I'm going to do this to both pieces of my burlap ribbon. I then cut a 1/2 inch piece of the burlap ribbon. Then taking the 2 pieces of burlap ribbon, I'm going to gather them in the middle, and using this 1/2 inch piece, I'm going to hot glue it around the middle of it, holding it together, giving us this adorable pink bow tie. And oh my word, is this not so stinking cute? Let's put it on this little fella. And there you have it, a rustic farmhouse Easter decor piece for under $5, and the best part is it took about 10 minutes to make. Isn't this so stinking cute? I love it. And make sure to stop by Kayla's channel to see what she's got going on this week. And if you go by Alli's as well, you'll find Alli and I in the kitchen cooking up one of her favorite desserts. Links to both of their channels are in the description box below.
Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this quick and easy farmhouse Easter decor piece. Tell me this was not so stinking easy. It really is just about a 10 or 15 minute DIY, and look at the outcome. You have got this adorable farmhouse rustic Easter bunny. I absolutely love this, and I think I want to make a couple more of them because I love them so much. You could very easily make this with the green moss, and it would transform it from being a farmhouse decor piece to just a fun springtime Easter decor piece. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture of it, send it to me on Facebook or Instagram, because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.